Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar ended up pushing down again. I mean, have been only looking for shorts ever since the daily turned down, and then last week the weekly did turn down also. I was kind of hoping for a bigger pullback more up into this area to grab some liquidity up here, and I still think there is a pretty good chance that possibly it could go up there, maybe try to grab some of these liquidity areas before it actually does go down. I am definitely still looking for shorts, so I will not be trying to take any long because if we zoom back out, it could go down to the 50% before it decides to make a bounce. So I will definitely be waiting patiently for more shorts, but I'm definitely only looking to go short on pullbacks. So definitely not looking to go short here, definitely not looking to go long, waiting again patiently for a decent pullback so I can continue to take it short. There's been some pretty decent little pullbacks on this way down, and it still has not broken structure. So there's still really no reason to think that the daily move to the downside is complete yet. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.